Subliminal TV.
Alright guys, so remember last week when I was riding with some guys and the GoPro snapped off? I was like, you see something missing? My GoPro? Well, let me tell you, the chin mount, I don't know why, chin mount is very good. I don't want to make it seem like I have any issue with chin mount, especially the fact that, let me tell you, they sent me a replacement and I had this thing about 3 years. They were saying something about they do have warranties and I'm way out of warranty. But after talking a little bit, they sent me a whole new kit. They also sent me this time, I didn't have this before and I think I'm gonna get a better point of view with this one. I didn't have this extra piece right here before. I only had this piece. So this here is gonna extend the GoPro out a little bit and I can adjust it a little bit better. And maybe if I had this in the first place, me adjusting it, I don't know, I really don't know how that happened. I did mention that when I crashed that GoPro, I went and got a new GoPro. Here you see I have the GoPro 13. And again, I want to talk about how chin mount were very good with their customer service. You can see how now with this setup, the GoPro sits out more. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see it from that angle? It sits out more, so I can adjust it back, forward, and I like that. And see, look, if you can see, look at the tape still there. I don't know what happened. Clean it with a little alcohol. So now we clean that a little bit and get ready for the new mount. I drove the other day and I have one of those generic, I don't have it here with me, but I have one of those generic helmet mounts that you kind of loop through. And it was kind of funny, but it wasn't. I had a lot of anxiety because, and again, I'm saying this to speak to how important this chin mount is. So I had the temporary one on and one of the straps came loose. The strap came a little bit loose, so now the GoPro is hanging all sideways and it gave me a lot of anxiety. I tried to ride and hold it. It was not a good experience. And that was like a day before this came and I was like, oh, never again. Let me get this bike home. I don't even need to be recording this ride at this point. Okay, there we go. New mount. Seems to be on. Now they do offer this tether. I just always thought it was kind of too much, but I think I'm gonna use it this time. Just in case, it's just like an extra layer of security. That is a much better, I'm telling you, I always had it very close to the helmet like that. And now it's gonna be out like this. It's very close, I know. That's usually how my GoPro sits. This does not obstruct my view. So yes, I would like to say thank you again, Chin Mount, for coming through for me with this new chin mount and this extra arm, because everything seems to work just fine. I appreciate it. And obviously I can adjust this down if I want to. So again, thank you guys for watching. Everybody out there who's a biker, ride safely. I appreciate you guys for being here with me. Peace.
Subliminal TV.